Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see filter on this page in Power BI. In the previous tutorial, we have seen like filter on visual. So this is the next part of like type of the filter called filter on this page. So before proceeding with this tutorial, I recommend you please watch part 18 of this tutorial series so you will understand better about this filter. So agent of this filter is like filter on this page, like how we implement filter on this page. So let's go to the this Power BI desktop application. So this was the sheet we were using for the filter on the visual. Like when we click on any visual, we can see there is a one thing called filter on the visual. So we give any filter on this, it will make the changes or it will filter the things for particular chart only, not for all the chart. But filter on this page is basically whatever we will take the charts on this page, it will reflect to all the charts. And when we go for the filter on like filter on all pages, then whatever the pages, like in the Excel we call it as a sheet, but here in the Power BI we call all the pages. So when we will put anything on the filter on all pages, then it will reflect the changes in all the pages. But we are going to talk about filter on this page in this tutorial. So what I will do in quickly, I will take some graph or chart here. So let's take one is for like this column chart, and I want to take with the product. So let's click on the product and where it is. So product, and with this product I want to take the profit. So that is the one thing, and let's increase it. And next I will take a pie chart and let's keep it here, and I want to make this pie chart with respect to the anything we can take, like I will take as a like country and like sell price I will take, and another I will take like, and another chart I will take as a table. Okay, one second, because we have to click outside, then only we can see. So let's click outside and then take the table, and in this table I will take like all the month name I will take, and I will take with this I can take anything like profit we can take. So with this it is showing. So like formatting we can do like anything, like if we want to increase the size, we can increase the size from here, like column header and all value. If we want to like if we want to increase the size, we can increase like this. So from here, that all the things. Now what we will do, like we will do filter on this page. So when I will take filter on this page, we will see like changes will be on all over the like all the charts. So what I will do, based on the like month or the country I want to make the changes. So what I will do, I will drag and drop all this on the filter on this page. We can see like I'm dragging here, and if I will select any country, based on that it will reflect the data all over the charts. So let's click Canada first. So we can see it is reflecting data based on this only. If I will select the France, then I will click on this France, we can see it is reflecting to data in all over the charts. And if I will click Germany, it will show the data based on that. So like filter on this page, basically it reflect for all the chart available on this particular page. Now if you want to clear the filter, we can do from this sign, like we can see clear filter. And if you want to remove this filter, then you can remove this one. And now instead of taking that country, what we can take, we can filter out using the segment as well. So I clicked on the segment, like if I will click on this channel partners, based on that it will reflect the changes. And if I will click on the enterprises, we can see like for this pie chart, you can see the values, it will change. I will take the government, it will change to 10K. So like this it is reflect to the change. So that is the only thing, like filter on this page is basically when we make changes on this filter on page, it whatever the control or the visualization we are having on the same page, it will be applicable for all the charts or all the visualization available on that page. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.